Hello dear students, today we'll do question number 5 of exercise 10.2. What is given in the question? It is given that we have to prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact. Let's say, let us draw a circle and this is a tangent if, and the point of contact is M. This AB is a tangent and O is the center of the circle. So, what we have to prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. That means if I draw a perpendicular from anywhere, it must pass through the center. This we have to prove. So, let us draw a line. Let us say TM, and we have to show that this TM must pass through the center, okay, if it is perpendicular on the tangent. So what we have to write here as given is AB is a tangent to a circle with center O. This is given, and one more thing, that TM is perpendicular on AB. Now what we have to prove? We have to prove that TM must pass through the center. That is O. We have to show this. That means if any line which is perpendicular to the tangent, that always passes through the center, right? So what we have to do here, let me join this OM, right? So I'm doing the construction here. Construction is join OM. Now the proof. We all know about a theorem. I hope you also know that. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent, right? So that's why if OM is the radius, AB is the tangent, so OM must be perpendicular to the tangent, right? So OM is perpendicular to AB. Why? Because we know that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent, right? So if OM is perpendicular to AB, what it means? It means this angle, let's say 1, should be 90. This implies angle 1 should be 90. And this is number 1 equation, right? But it is also given in the question that TM is perpendicular to AB. This is also given. But TM is also perpendicular to AB, and this is given. So this implies this one, angle 2. This also should be of 90 degree. That means angle 2 should be of 90. Right. Now angle 1 is 90, angle 2 is 90. What it means? It means both are equal. That means from equation 1 and 2, we have angle 1 equal to angle 2. But is it possible that we can draw on a same line? If we draw two angles, like this is and this one, can they be equal? Yes, they can equal, only the condition is these two lines must be coincident, otherwise they cannot. Otherwise these two angles will never be equal. These are equal only if the lines are coincident. Okay, so if these two lines are coincident, at that time the angles are equal, otherwise they will not be equal. But here in the question, according to the proof, angle 1 equal to angle 2. These two angles are on AM, and if angle 1 and angle 2 are equal, what it implies? It implies these two lines must be coincident. Which two lines? TM and OM. So this implies TM center. So this implies TM must pass through the center, right? And this we have to prove, hence proved. So this is the question. The question is very small, but just a little concept of coincidence means if the two angles are equal, why these lines are coincident. This you have to make clear in your mind. Otherwise the question is very easy. I hope you understand it, and if not, just watch it again, just take a look again, and definitely you'll get the question. Okay, thank you.